What if you could improve your health, lift your mood, and boost your energy with a single, easy habit? Walking, a simple, often overlooked activity, has the power to do all that and more. Research reveals that even a modest, consistent walking routine can deliver profound health benefits, making it one of the most accessible ways to enhance your quality of life. Today, we'll dive into 5 incredible benefits of daily walking and look at ways to make each walk enjoyable, track your progress, and keep yourself motivated with a daily challenge. Let's explore how such a small change can yield big results. Number 1. Heart health and cardiovascular benefits. Walking is an incredibly effective way to support your heart and overall cardiovascular health. With every step, your heart pumps more blood, which strengthens it and keeps it working efficiently. Studies show that walking briskly for just 30 minutes a day can reduce your risk of heart disease by as much as 19%. Regular walking can also lower blood pressure, improve circulation, and help maintain healthy cholesterol levels. These heart-boosting benefits add up over time, supporting long-term wellness with each daily walk. For even more impact, try incorporating intervals, walking briskly for a few minutes, then slowing down for a minute. These intervals keep your heart engaged and boost endurance. By making walking a daily habit, you're investing in a healthier heart, better blood flow, and a more resilient cardiovascular system. Number 2. Mental health and mood enhancement. Walking isn't just good for the body, it's powerful for the mind, too. The rhythmic motion of walking releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that naturally lift your mood. Walking outdoors adds even more benefits. Exposure to fresh air and nature helps reduce stress, decrease anxiety, and improve your sense of well-being. Studies have shown that even a 15 to 20-minute walk can lower cortisol levels, the hormone associated with stress. If you're looking to clear your mind or relieve stress, consider walking in a park or natural setting. Walking is a great time to practice mindfulness by focusing on your breath, your steps, or the sounds around you. This quiet mental space can lead to greater clarity, better focus, and an improved mood. By making it a daily habit, walking can be a powerful way to keep your mind calm, sharp, and balanced. Number 3. Weight management and metabolic boost. If weight management or metabolism support is a goal, daily walking is an effective, low-impact way to make progress. Walking at a moderate pace for 30 to 60 minutes burns calories without putting stress on your joints. In fact, consistent walking helps maintain lean muscle mass, which naturally boosts your metabolism. The great thing about walking for weight management is that it's adaptable. You can increase speed, add hills, or carry light weights for extra resistance. For those who are new to fitness or looking for a sustainable activity, walking offers an approachable way to keep moving without high-intensity workouts. With a daily walking routine, you create a steady calorie burn that contributes to maintaining a healthy weight. Plus, the metabolic benefits mean you'll have more energy throughout the day, helping you stay active and alert from morning to night. Number 4. Improved joint health and mobility. Walking is one of the best ways to support your joints and maintain mobility, especially as we age. Each step strengthens the muscles around your joints, which supports stability and reduces the risk of injury. Walking promotes better circulation to joint cartilage, helping it absorb nutrients and stay healthy. Unlike high-impact activities, walking is gentle on the body, making it ideal for people of all ages and fitness levels. If you're looking to improve joint flexibility, try focusing on posture while you walk. Keep your shoulders relaxed, engage your core, and take steady strides. For those with knee or hip concerns, start with short, easy walks, gradually increasing time and distance as you feel more comfortable. With each walk, you're not only protecting your joints, but also maintaining your body's natural range of motion, which supports long-term mobility and independence. Number 5. Boosted immune system and longevity. Did you know that walking can actually help boost your immune system? Regular walking increases the circulation of white blood cells, the immune system's front line against illness. Studies show that people who walk consistently have fewer colds and upper respiratory infections. Walking also helps regulate blood sugar levels, supporting overall immune health and protecting against diseases like diabetes. In addition, walking can improve longevity. Research indicates that people who walk regularly tend to live longer, healthier lives. A daily walk can reduce the risk of chronic diseases and increase the chances of enjoying a long, active life. Just by committing to a daily walk, you're building resilience, promoting wellness, and investing in a future of better health. Tips to make walking enjoyable. To keep walking interesting and enjoyable, try varying your route or walking in new locations. Whether it's a scenic park, a neighborhood loop, or a trail through nature, changing up your surroundings keeps each walk fresh. Listen to your favorite music, an engaging podcast, or a calming playlist to make your walk even more enjoyable. You could also invite a friend or family member to join. Having a walking partner can make the experience more social and motivating. Set small goals, like walking a certain distance or trying out a new route each week. Little challenges add excitement and keep you looking forward to your walks. Finding ways to make each walk a pleasant break from routine can help you stay consistent and turn walking into a time you genuinely enjoy. Ways to track your progress. Tracking your progress is a great way to stay motivated motivated and see your improvements over time. A simple step counter, fitness app, or even a wearable device can track steps, distance, and calories burned. If you're aiming for a certain number of steps each day, most health experts recommend a goal of around 10,000 steps for optimal health benefits. However, you can set a goal that works for you, whether it's 5,000 or 15,000 steps, and work toward it consistently. Keeping a journal is another option. Note how far you walked, how long it took, and any thoughts or reflections during your walk. By documenting your progress, you can celebrate milestones, track improvements in your endurance, and even reflect on how walking makes you feel. Seeing your accomplishments on paper or in an app is motivating and helps reinforce the habit. To make walking even more engaging, try a daily walking challenge. Set a goal to walk a certain number of steps each day for a month, or aim to add an extra 5 minutes each week. For example, start with a 15-minute walk each day and add 5 minutes every week. By the end of the month, you'll be walking 30 to 40 minutes daily without even realizing it. If you enjoy exploring new areas, challenge yourself to walk in a different place each week, like a new park, neighborhood, or nature trail. You could also set mini goals within your walk, like walking fast for 1 minute every 5 minutes to build endurance. These small challenges add variety and keep walking exciting, encouraging you to stick with it. Walking might be simple, but it's a powerful tool for health, wellness, and happiness. From strengthening your heart and boosting your mood to supporting your immune system, the benefits of walking touch every part of your life. It's accessible, requires no special equipment, and can be done anywhere, whether you're exploring a new trail, walking around your neighborhood, or taking a break to clear your mind. Making walking a daily habit can bring about remarkable improvements in both physical and mental health, allowing you to move through life with energy, resilience, and a greater sense of well-being. So lace up your shoes, set your own walking goals, and experience firsthand the incredible benefits that come from taking those daily steps.